You like that, Jack?
Catherine, ask me my questions. I'm doing Jack right now. Jack likes this when he's hot. What the car's like? I think he just likes it because flies don't like wet.
Yeah, that too.
And it's a hot day. Oh, he likes it.
He's like, oh, get that side now.
Can I move the hose a little bit?
Just pull it, you got it. Oh, does that feel good, Jack? He's like, oh, I like it.
He's like, thanks for the drink.
Jack, that's a funny face.
Aww. Did you have a good drink? He's like, oh, thanks.
He likes to get all wet and then run in.